श्री राम जन्मभूमि ट्रस्ट ने वेबसाइट पर डाला जमीन खरीद का पूरा ब्यौरा। उन्होंने वेबसाइट पर 2001 से लेकर अब तक के एग्रीमेंट का विवरण अपलोड किया है। इसमें बताया गया है कि बाग बिजैशी स्थित 1.2080 हेक्टेयर भूमि 1423 रुपया प्रति स्क्वायर फीट की दर से खरीदी गई है, जो बाजार की खरीद दर से बहुत ही कम है। इस भूमि को लेकर 2011 से ही एग्रीमेंट की प्रक्रिया चल रही थी। ट्रस्ट इस जमीन की खरीद को लेकर उत्सुक था, लेकिन पहले भूमि की मिल्कियत स्पष्ट करना चाहता था, क्योंकि इस एग्रीमेंट में 9 लोग जुड़े हुए थे, जिनमें से 3 मुस्लिम थे। सभी से संपर्क कर उनकी सहमति ली गई, फिर एग्रीमेंट को फाइनल किया गया। इस कार्य में पूरी पारदर्शिता बरती गई है। ट्रस्ट ने साफ किया कि इस दौरान हुए सभी लेन देन ऑनलाइन तरीके से किए गए हैं। ट्रस्ट ने इस जमीन के लिए 17 करोड़ का भुगतान किया। ये भी बताया गया है कि ट्रस्ट 3-4 प्लॉट मंदिर व आश्रम को मिलाकर पहले भी खरीद चुका है और आगे भी खरीद का कार्य चलता रहेगा। खरीद से जुड़े सभी रिकॉर्ड ऑनलाइन हैं। साइट पर ट्रस्ट ने बाग बिजैशी की जमीन को लेकर 2011 से हुए अब तक के एग्रीमेंट का पूरा ब्यौरा भी प्रस्तुत किया है। इसमें लिखा गया है कि द सेट प्लॉट इज एडजेसेंट टू रोड। इन द वेरी नियर फ्यूचर दिस रोड विल बी 4 लेन and it will be the main approaching road to Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir. So the location of the land is very much prime. The area of land is 1.2080 hectare, purchased at the rate of rupees 1423 per square feet, which is very much less than the actual market rate in Ayodhya. For the same land, agreements were made between different parties at many times starting since 2011, but due to some reasons they never matured. Details of these agreements are given below. Nyas was interested to purchase this land but wanted first to finalize all the previous agreements so the ownership of the land may be cleared. About 9 individuals are involved in this deal from last 10 years. In these 9 persons, 3 are Muslims. All the individuals were contacted, negotiated. On receiving their consent, they all came and sat together to decide their previous agreements. As and when the previous agreements finalized, the trust made the agreement with final owners of the land with immediate effect without losing any time. It was done quickly but in transparent manner. The firm decision of the trust is that all the financial dealings will be through banking channels, that is online mode, and no check, no cash. Secondly, we have already purchased 3 to 4 plots including mandirs, ashrams, and in future also we will do it. It is the decision of the trust that for each and every purchased temple, ashram, private property, a piece of land of their own choice to be provided for rehabilitation and sufficient funds to be given for constructing their buildings. Everything is on record. Let's see the land details. First, on 4/3/2011, Mahfuz Alam, Javed Alam, Noor Alam, Firoz Alam, son of Muhammad Alam, resident of Barwari Tola, Ayodhya, entered into an agreement with Kusum Pathak, Harish Pathak, and Muhammad Irfan Urf Nanhe Mia to sell Gata number 242, 243, 244, and 246. Consideration amount agreed was rupees 1 crore. Agreement was valid for 3 years. This agreement dated 4/3/2011 was cancelled on 4/3/2014. Now second, on 20th November 2017, Mahfuz Alam and 3 others above mentioned parties registered a sale deed to Kusum Pathak and her husband Harish Pathak, same 4 Gata numbers. Total land 2.334 hectare. Consideration amount was rupees 2 crores. Now third, on 21st November 2017, Kusum Pathak and Harish Pathak entered into an agreement to sell our 4 gatas to Ichha Ram Singh, Jitendra Kumar Singh and Rakesh Kumar Singh. Consideration amount was 2.16 crores. This agreement was cancelled on 17 September 2019. Now fourth, on 17 September 2019, another agreement was entered upon by Kusum Pathak and Harish Pathak to sell above mentioned land to Ichha Ram Singh, Vishwa Pratap Upadhyay, Manish Kumar, Subedar, Balaram Yadav, Ravindra Kumar Dubey, Sultan Ansari and Rashid Hussain. Amount of consideration was rupees 2 crores and validity of agreement was 3 years. This agreement was registered to be cancelled on 18th March 2021. Now fifth, on 18th March 2021, Kusum Pathak and Harish Pathak sold land gata number 243, 244 and 246 area 1.2080 hectares by sale deed to Ravi Mohan Tiwari and Sultan Ansari, son of Irfan Urf Nanhe Mian. Consideration amount was rupees 2 crores. Valuation at circle rate rupees 5.80 crores. Stamp paid for 5.80 crores valuation. Now sixth point. On the same day above, Ravi Mohan Tiwari and Sultan Ansari entered into an agreement to sell this land to RJB Trust. Construction amount agreed was rupees 18.50 crores. Payment of 17 crores was made as advance by online transaction. This full information has been uploaded by the office of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Ayodhya. तो साफ है कि ट्रस्ट ने राम भक्तों को पूरे प्रकरण की सच्चाई से अवगत कराने की मंशा से ही अपनी साइट पर जमीन खरीद की पूरी प्रक्रिया को अपलोड किया है और अपना पक्ष स्पष्ट करने का प्रयास किया है। आजाद सिपाही में अभी इतना ही। आप हमारे इस YouTube चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।